So this is the AidallsWellup 7D, 5-in-1 electric head shaver for bald men. So they call it 7D because it's 7 directional. You get 7 different heads cutting all at once. And it's really nice. It fits comfortably in your hands. You just kind of grip it like that. And then you can see as you push down, it also flexes up a little bit. So there's some give to it. And that means it can just smoothly go around your head with no problem and flex whenever it needs to. This thing is absolutely awesome. So when you turn it on, it starts up and it tells you got 100% right off the bat. As it gets lower, it'll tell you if any of these heads need to be cleaned. This display will tell you that as well. It'll give you a little faucet signal, let you know it's time to clean this thing out. But it is absolutely awesome. You get it a close shave. If you have a bald head like mine, and like I said, because you have the 7D, the 7 directional blades, it really does get every nook and cranny when you're using it. You also get 5 different attachments that you can add to this. And I gotta tell you, I don't use all of them. So I've got some that are like kind of a face wax. You put it on there, it spins, and you can kind of brush any loose hairs, kind of give your skin a little clean, open up your pores, that kind of deal. So I haven't really used that too much, but that one's pretty cool. Same thing with this one. This one's kind of a trimmer, and not only that, you can put a little guard on there if you don't want to go too close, you know, if you're just doing like a long hair trimmer. I actually have a trimmer that I use for that, so I don't use this one too much either, specifically for the bald head. Absolutely love it. Comes with a simple charger here, USB, and then USB-C. So you can, again, pop a brick on this. Charges up within an hour to 100%. You can also use it while it's charging if you need to. You also get like a little brush, clean it out, little nose hair trimmer attachment, but really just a handy device. Like I said, the design is awesome the way it grips in your hand. The 7 blades, make sure you don't get snagged, does a really good job of cutting close, and it's really just a solid product. And you'll find it at a better price than you would something like the Skull Candy or one of those high-end bald shavers. This one you'll find a great deal on Amazon, and it works really, really well. So check it out. This is the AidallsWellup 7D 5-in-1 electric head shaver for bald men. You could also shave your face, your chin, underneath, all of that good stuff. And like I said, the flex motion here, make sure you won't get snagged or cut, and really does a good job. So I use it mainly for bald head, but you can use it to shave just about anywhere on your face that you need it to, and you'd be good to go. So again, check out Amazon, good price, you'll enjoy it.